Hi friends, it's my class 40. We discuss about principal stresses and strains or components of oblique forces. Consider a parallel bar. Which is loaded with a tensile force P. Consider the cross section AB. Consider P by area of cross section area is this stress B naught, which will be P by A. P by A, B naught. Consider the bar as having an area, having a dimension, having a thickness 1 unit, 1 centimeter or something, 1 centimeter or 1 unit. Consider another plane, theta degree to AB, which is CD. We know AB by CD equals adjacent side by hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. Then CD equals AB cos theta. AB secant theta is equal to AB into 1 into cos secant theta is equal to A secant theta. Now, to find normal force to CD plane. On AB plane, the normal force is P. On CD plane, normal force is Pn. That is equal to P cos theta. The normal stress Pn equals P cos theta by A secant theta. That is equal to P cos square theta. P cos square theta. Now tangential force, shear force Pt is equal to P sin theta. Then shear stress is equal to Pt is equal to P sin theta divided by A secant theta. Force by area, that is equal to P, then it is thus sin theta cos theta. That is equal to P by 2 sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. Then Pn is equal to P cos square theta and Pt is equal to P sin square theta. Pn normal stress, Pt tangential stress. We know that sin theta cos sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Then sin 2 theta equals sin theta cos theta equals sin 2 theta by 2. Here then P by 2 sin square theta. When theta is equal to 45 degree, sin 2 theta is equal to sin 90. That is equal to 1. Then when theta is equal to 45 degree, sin 2 theta is equal to sin 90. Then Pt is equal to P by 2, which is maximum. Then theta is equal to 45 degree. Tangential test will be maximum. That is Pt is equal to P by 2. For principal stresses and strain, consider a body. Consider a point in a body, in a material. The plane passes through. Consider a plane passes through that point. To that plane, only normal forces are only there. Normal forces are only on that plane. That plane is called principal plane, and that normal force is called normal stress is called principal stress. Thank you.